The presentation is all about the structure of immunoglobulin. So here the immunoglobulins are also called as antibody molecules, and these antibodies are the glycoproteins produced by the host in response to the antigenic stimulation. And these immunoglobulin molecules, they contain two identical copies of two different chains. They are called as light chain and heavy chain. These four chains are covalently bonded together by means of a sulfide linkages, and here the molecular weight of L chain, the small chain, is about 25,000 Daltons, and whereas the larger chain, which is called as a H chain, here this H chain is about the molecular weight is of 50,000 Daltons. This is the amino terminal ends of both the heavy and light chains. Amino terminal ends show variation, and this is the site where it can bind to the antigen, and here this amino terminal end has a high variable region. This is also called as a hypervariable region and the complementary determining region. The variable region in the H chain is called as a VH region, and variable region in the light chain is called as a VL region. And here the L chain consists of one variable domain VL, and whereas one constant domain, and this is called CL. But whereas when it comes to H chain, the variable region in H chain is only one VH, but the constant region is CH1, CH2 and CH3. So each the heavy and light chains that they're held together by a covalent disulfide linkages, and when it is cleavaged with the papain enzyme, it produces two different kinds of fragments. That fragment is called as Fab and another one is called FC. Fab is the fragment of antigen binding site, and FC is generally it's the complement binding fragment. Here domain representation of immunoglobulin structure. So here the region which is very flexible area is called as hinge region, where it is located at in between the first and second constant region domains and held together by disulfide linkages, and which in turn is sensitive for the enzymatic activity to produce two different kinds of fragments, Fab and FC. The carbohydrate molecule is attached at the CH2 domain of the immunoglobulin, which makes it to be a glycoprotein. And based on the differences in the heavy chain, the immunoglobulins are classified into 5 types. They are IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD and IgE. So the light chain exists in two forms, either kappa and lambda form, but never both. This is the simplest representation of immunoglobulin structure. Thank you for watching.